Hey everybody, we've disassembled everything. We're gonna go ahead and drop it another click to even it up with the passenger side. So that's basically where we're at right now. I'm just trying to get everything back up. I did raise it another click, so about 3 clicks now in the rear. Outer splines. I'm just putting everything back together, and we'll keep you posted. We'll show you the finished product. What's all that? Oh, a washer out? Cool. That's weird. Never saw that before. Guess we didn't need that. These are all proper tools that I've learned and got purchased for the job to make sure it's done right and correctly. You know, we only do it right here, you know? We don't half-ass on this, as you can tell.
It's the Volkswagen way.
It is the only way. This is the most touch that this vehicle has had in probably, well, a very long time. This thing is going to be slammed. It's not going to be fun to drive, but it's going to look cool.
Once you see it though, you're probably gonna want to keep this one.
Yeah. If I had my way, I'd keep every single one.
We need a bigger yard.
That's the dream. The only issue is a little bit of rust that this has, you know?
A little.
Just a little bit. So.
Just where you see a license plate.
Yeah. That's the best way to take care of rust.
Just cover it up.
Yeah. That way you don't have to see it anymore. Oh, this is going to be low. Just low.
What project are you excited to work on next?
The 71 Westy. That way we get the bumpers. That one I think I can get running pretty quick. I'm going to concentrate on the putting it back together first. Clean everything. So hopefully at the Lakeland Classic be able to snag more parts. Lucky enough to snag that rear apron from Terry, so that helps. This valve cover, this didn't seal right. These are painted up. These didn't fit right. I bought these brand new. They're supposed to be German. They didn't fit these. So I have to cut them and